Prashansa, and I've recently delivered a baby boy here at the Asian Hospital. And getting to know about the long-term experience which Dr. Kant had, we all in the family decided that we should definitely go ahead to this hospital and to this particular doctor for the betterment of our delivery. And it resulted in the same way. I had a normal delivery, and where the staff and all the senior doctors as well as the junior doctors were very supportive and were very knowledgeable, which ultimately helped me to give a smoother delivery. And somehow I was very overwhelmed with their gestures, and the pre-sessions and the post-sessions of antenatal and the lactation, where Dr. Sonia supported in the proper sessions of breastfeeding and the correct postures. I really like to thank them all, each and every staff of the Asian Hospital, and that's all. I would just recommend that it is a better and the best place where you can get your baby delivered.